Hi, I'm Joshua Smith, and welcome to another Cultimac app review. Recycling is always good. You know, plastics with the plastics, paper with the paper, but who knew that you could take over the world by sorting through this kind of stuff? Well, in the new app, Scrap Squad, you do exactly that. And actually, it's quite addicting. So today, I'm here to bring you guys an inside look at the app. So stay tuned to check it out. I've always pictured myself the good guy, but the new app, Scrap Squad, makes you an evil genius as you sort through scraps and take over the world. Well, that escalated quite quickly, huh? Alright, so the objective of the game is to sort all colored objects that come down the conveyor belt into their color corresponding robots. The further you get, the more that come, and the faster it gets. But keep an eye out for trash and stuff like that, and don't let something good go into the fire pit or you'll lose a life. Sort your way for as long as possible to try and get a high score. Lose all 3 lives and your evil plan has failed. Back to the drawing board. Now, I played games similar to this where you have to sort, but I think what makes me like Scrap Squad so much is the theme of the app and how well the game is enveloped in it. And players get to even upgrade the game with cool boosts and other upgrades, and having missions, daily challenges, and achievements to reach for each game gave me even more good reasons to keep playing and playing. So even when you don't think you're cut out for world domination, Scrap Squad will still keep you entertained and having fun. And that's why overall, Scrap Squad earns 4.5 out of 5 stars. With great graphics and smooth gameplay that I picked up quite quickly, Scrap Squad was lots of fun. Whether I was just chilling on the couch or playing it at the bus stop, its sorting madness remained fresh as I built combos and used my power glove to build up my high score. So world domination by recycling just may be more appealing than you think. Scrap Squad is available in app stores for all iOS and Android devices for absolutely free. And until next time, feel free to comment or tweet at us your high scores or thoughts about the game. Did you enjoy it, or what don't you like about it? Let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome reviews in the future. This has been Joshua Smith, and I'll catch you later.